I want to pair the Hoco EW60 TWS headset with my laptop. But when I try to connect it, the headset device is not visible on the laptop. If the Hoco EW60 Plus headset is not visible on the laptop, check if there is a sticker on the headset. If there is a sticker on the headset, remove it. Now place the bud into the case. After removing the stickers, try connecting. If the headset device is still not visible, charge the headset. Charge the headset for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the headset is charged, try connecting to the laptop. If the headset is still not visible on the laptop, make sure your headset is connected to another device. If the Hoco headset is connected to another device, unpair it from there. After doing this, the headset device will be visible on the laptop. Now you can connect it. The headset is now connected to laptop. This is how you can connect the Hoco EW60 Plus TWS headset to the laptop.